So hello guys, we're back in with another new video, and from the video title or the video thumbnail you already know what I'm gonna show you today. Today I have another new temp mail, temporary mailbox, okay, that you can use anywhere you would like to. It have little less features than my previous temp mail video, like the platform that I have shown before. But as long as those platforms are ad free, we are okay with it, right? So let me share with you today's platform and let's see what we have today. Like what are the features do we have today in our Tempmail plugin. Not plugin, Tempmail app. Okay. So let's just get started. So here is our today's email client, that's MailDex. And now I don't know how they are supposed to make it. I think they have took inspiration from MailDesk and prepared MailDex, whatever. Or maybe the the domain was cheaper because it is running in maildex.com and it's providing maildex.me. So obviously they have to provide multiple domains in order to work. So that's a great thing. Whatever, you can be able to copy it by clicking on it, or like select it and copy it, whatever you wanna like. You can change the mail ID by clicking on create a new mail ID, or you can get back to your previous mail ID with email address and email secret. Now what is this? I will explain you in a little. You can delete your mail ID by clicking on this, whatever, and you can save your mail ID by having this mail address as well as this email secret. You have to copy and paste it somewhere in your directory, like in your whatever space you want to keep it. And with this you can get back into your email ID as well. And as you can see, here is a like account option, and if I click on it and if I give this email address and email secret, I will get back to this email address. But for same account that doesn't make sense. So if you have a previous account, you can easily get it. Yeah. In previous video of about Tempmail, I showed you that you have to use password in order to like create a new password in order to save mail ID. But here you don't have to do that. You can simply uh, can save the mail secret. I don't know how much feasible it is, but whatever, it works, right? So don't even care. And it was as a simple mail ID and all. That's it. That's it about this platform. As simple as that. Nothing more or nothing less. Whatever. But one downside I have seen in the previous mail client, that is Tempmail, that I have saved one mail ID with a password and a email. Obviously, email, we don't you need to have email, but somehow it got deleted. I don't know how, and I was not able to get back to it again. So it could be a disaster. Okay, if you have given a temporary mail to really a site that you need for a like not longer but for some time, and you needed that mail ID to be consistent, so obviously not reliable on that side. But in general, you will not use it like that. Like we don't use temporary mail like that, so that's another thing. So yeah, that's about it about MailDex. And you know how to use mail, right? So I'm not gonna show you by doing that. And actually that's it about this video. That's it about this like whole platform. This is really soothing, having no ads. I don't know in future they will add ads or not, but right now it's cool, right? And it looks awesome as well, like really simple UI and all. And it's user friendly, like noob friendly, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. Please let me know in the comment section actually which temporary main client you use again and again. Okay, that would be a great topic to discuss, to be honest. Rather than that, That's it for this video. Let's wrap it up. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great apps like tools or productivity things like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.